When it is time for a road trip, car maintenance is a crucial part of preparing for a safe summer adventure. With the right approach, you can easily prepare your car for summer road trip. Open your car door and look at the sticker inside the frame or check the car's manual. This will show you the correct air pressure for your tires. Use a tire pressure gauge to check if your tires have the right amount of air. If the pressure is too low, add air at a gas station or with a home air pump. Turn off the engine and let the car sit for a few minutes so the oil can settle. Look for a bright colored loop under the hood, that's the dipstick handle. Pull it out and wipe it clean with a cloth or paper towel to remove any old oil residue. Insert it back fully, then pull it out again to check the oil level. The dipstick has markers indicating low and full levels. If the oil is below the recommended level, add more to ensure the engine runs smoothly during long drives. Pouring it through the oil cap, then rechecking the level. Also, add the necessary amount of coolant to prevent the engine from overheating and steering fluid to ensure smooth steering. Turn wiper on and spray windshield washer fluid. If they leave streaks, make noise, or do not clear the glass properly, they may be worn out. Remove the wiper and cover the arm with a towel to prevent it from breaking the glass. Check the rubber condition of the wiper. If it is worn out, replace it with a new one. Check the battery terminals. If you see white or greenish buildup, clean them with sandpaper. Use a multimeter to check the voltage. A fully charged battery should read 12.6 V or higher when the car is off. When the engine is running, it should be 13.7 V to 14.7 V. Look through the wheel spokes to check the brake pads. If you need a closer look, remove the wheel to access the brake system. Carefully unbolt the caliper and inspect the brake pads. If they are too thin, they should be replaced. Next, open the hood and find the brake fluid reservoir. The fluid should be at the correct level. If it is dark or low, refill or replace it with the recommended type. A safety hammer provides a quick way to break windows and cut seat belts in emergencies. Sinson Car Safety Hammer Tool has a strong window breaker and a sharp seatbelt cutter to help you escape quickly in an emergency. Its bright orange color makes it easy to find, and the anti-slip handle ensures a firm grip. Do not drive for long periods without stopping to rest. Drink plenty of water to stay hydrated, stay alert, and prevent overheating during your trip. By following these steps, you will enjoy a hassle-free and safe summer road trip.